Yeah, I don't know if it's
Recording.
Is it?
Yep.
Cool,
4 seconds. 4 seconds, Jim.
Yeah. Yeah, come on, baby. That's a good one.
Mm-hmm. I heard it pull and drag.
Pretty shallow water, too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, he's going out now. All right, coming back in.
Or you get him close enough and I'll get the net.
Oh, don't need a net. He's getting close. Push it. Don't get in there. Don't get in there. Oh, he's in there. Hey,
Yep. Bring it over. Bring it over.
Yeah, I'm trying. Go. He's a hefty one. Hang on. Come on, baby.
That's a nice one. I see a big tail.
He's a nice one for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, baby.
He's ours. He's ours, Jim.
Yeah. You help? Oh,
That's
that
a
is
fucking
my
monster.
personal. That is my personal best blue so far. That's for sure.
We have to weigh this.
Oh yeah, for sure. Man.
Eric missed out.
We're gonna weigh him with this part of the net, but I need to find out how much this part here weighs without the handle. Take that off. Whoo, man.
That's
Thank you.
a monster.
Yes, he is.
Just make sure there ain't no more other poles. Beaming.
You ain't a kidding. Woo, buddy. Yeah, he's gonna hurt my finger if you clamp down. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's trying. Ah, yeah.
Ow.
Ah.
You want me to grab the pliers? Ow, fucker.
I think it's out.
It's out.
Yep, it's up. There we go. Woo. Alright, yeah. Let's go ahead and grab those white things real quick. I've got his mouth open. I want to do this so I can get him out of the net so I can find out how much that there weighs first. Come here, buddy.
He's out the net, Tim. Here, you scoot over just a tad bit.
Hey,
Huh?
green glow stick.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Alright, buddy, let's get up out of here. There we go. Alright, hang on a second. That 3.2 pounds, 3.28.
Yep.
Alright. Now we know how much that weighs. Whew. Alright, buddy, you ready? Let's slide back in this net. Slide in this net. Don't do that, don't do that. I was trying to get that out. I was trying to get this out, so here we go. Here's that. Let's open up the way.
Whoa, bitch! You gotta come in the net. Ow.
Stay in the net, stay in the net. Whew. We might need to.
Ready? Get him off the ground.
It's not doing anything. Right. Hang on. Let's go ahead and make it all reset. That's kilograms. It needs to be marked over to pounds. Which one's for that? Is that pounds up there now?
Yep.
LB. Okay. Good.
Ready?
Oh, it went off. Are you kidding me? It powered off. You prick. What? ain't telling me these batteries don't last that long. Really?
We got the other one.
Yep.
Go back.
The old school one. I mean, we have used them quite a bit, but still. Make sure it says pounds on there. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Good.
Ready?
41.1. 41.1. Yeah. Woo. 41.1 pounds.
Fire off.
Yeah, you gotta hold that one. That's to hold that one.
Yeah, because
I'm gonna get this in its mouth real quick. I'm gonna get to your phone, take a picture of it, because my phone has got the thing going on it. We'll get him out the net first. Yeah. Get all that slime out of here.
oh yeah, it's a lovely one.
Oh
Oh, lights.
Huh?
The lights are on.
Come here, sucker. Come here.
Yeah, 'cause I'm sending it to Eric.
Oh yeah. For sure, for sure. There we go. Don't do that, sucker. Yeah. 41.1 pound. Blue Hoover Reservoir. Whew.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, you tried to stab me, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and get that door open.
You got your hand in the thing.
Not yet.